Ollie, this is impressive. Even the floor matches the machines.
For sure, we're heavily invested in Mazak here at FT. We have a long-standing relationship with them. We bought our first Mazak back in 1998, and since then we've just progressed and just added to that environment.
Yeah, to start with, F.T.Gearing, who are you and what do you do?
So F.T.Gearing originally started in 1978. We're approximately 100 strong staff, split over 8 cells, all with their individual branding. As you can see from the cell we're in today, it's very strongly with Mazak. We do have a further cell with Mazak, and we make specialist gears for the military and commercial aerospace sectors.
And just looking around, it's like a Mazak showroom here. Clearly you're happy with the brand, but what have they done to make you keep going back to Mazak time and time again?
So, like I said, way back, we bought our first Mazak back in 1998, and you know, our area manager at the time, that's been our area manager since that point, you know, continually asked us, you know, you need to invest in Mazak, you need to invest in Mazak, what you need. Finally took the plunge in 98, and since then it's just grown. We've just added to that. It's mainly because of the versatility of the machine. When you purchase a Mazak, it's just like a blank canvas, and you can fine-tune each individual machine for what you need specifically to achieve the jobs that we've got.
Okay, let's talk about the machines. Just tell us about some of the technology you've got here and in other units.
So we've got right from just standard sort of 2-axis CNC lathes right up to full 5-axis twin spindle capability. We've got a lot of other sort of retrofit systems which Mazak, obviously, you can option, which are like high pressure cooling systems where we do our gun drilling. And even if I sort of fast forward right to our latest investment, which is just right behind me, our Integrex i100S.
Yeah, so I understand you bought that in, where you've got to hold very accurate components. How accurate are these machines?
Sure, yeah, we bought that Integrex for a specific job in question. Now, between the two spindles, sort of the handover is sort of less than 10 microns. Since we've actually had it installed, it's currently actually going through a laser alignment at the minute, because we're obviously at FT, we're chasing the micron.
Jason, we're here at F.T.Gearing. This is some showpiece for Mazak, isn't it?
Yeah, F.T.Gearing, fantastic facility. You know, we've been dealing with F.T.Gearing since the late 80s. I mean, they got their first edition on the QT10, which was a 2-axis lathe. And as you go around the facility today, you'll see that they've not been scared of any investment. They're very proud of their investment. And we started off with a 2-axis lathe, driven tool lathe, Y-axis lathes, and then going on to the Integrex, which is their latest investment.
Mm-hmm. I've just asked Oliver, what are Mazak doing right to keep coming back and back and back, but I'm interested to hear it from you. What do you think Mazak are doing right to keep winning this business here at F.T.Gearing?
It's about a partnership, a very strong partnership. I mean, John McNally, that covers the area, he's covered the area for a number of years now. He's got a very close relationship with Graham and Nigel and Ollie and the whole team. When you walk around, everybody's proud to work for the company, but we listen to their needs. We engage the right people, we provide the right solution, and it's a continuous improvement program with this company. They're taking it to the next level.
And this is the latest acquisition, the Integrex i100S. Tell us a little bit about this job. I know we can't go into too many details because of the nature of the component, but it's a very accurate machine.
Yeah, well, F.T.Gearing, while we're known for producing high precision gears, okay, so that's for the commercial aircraft and the military aircraft. And like the aerospace industry took a massive hit last year, and it's still very painful as well. But the investment is there. We're talking a significant investment here with an i100S. So it's the baby of our Integrex. Mm-hmm. It's a typical 6-inch chuck, 52mm bar capacity, second spindle, with 72 tools on the machine as well, Capto C6.
And they're holding less than 10 microns between spindles as well. Impressive.
Yeah, we have to be very careful with the application on this machine of what we're showing today, because it's super confidential and it's super accurate as well. So it's about true position of the part, the tolerances of the part as well. It's a tall order of what they're doing on this machine.
But like you alluded to earlier in the interview, it's a partnership, isn't it? They don't see you as a supplier, they see you as a valued partner.
Yeah, we've got a very strong relationship with this company, and that's just continued strength by strength, year on year.